All right, looking on the top half, backside of the Chapter 11 study guide, what we've got here is some life insurance stuff. For number 11 says Zena is 30 years old. Okay. And Zena, it says she. So Zena must be a female that's 30 years old. So we're going to be looking in here on the table. Wants a $50,000 policy. And if we look here, remember, this is $1,000 of insurance. And so if she needs $50,000 and the chart is referring to $1,000 at a time, essentially she'll be purchasing 50 of these $1,000 policies. So we're going to multiply the 50 policies times the amount for each one. And the grand total we're going to have here is $138.50. Now, looking forward, 12 is very similar. 13 is very similar. So let's look at 14 and 15 where we're looking at the percentage of the increases. So let's look here, 14. It says that Veronica is 40, so 40 years old, female. So we're looking at 347 here. And she wants $70,000 of insurance. So again, we're going to go 70,000 divided by the 1,000 gives us essentially 70 times the amount. And so at 40 years old, it's 70 of them times 347. So the total amount that it's going to cost is $242.90 for that policy. Now, if we look at the 45-year-old, so in 5 years, how much is it going to cost and how much will it go up? Well, in 5 years, it's going to be $4.60 each. So 70 times $4.60 each means that the total cost will be $322. So how much did it go up? Well, if I take the $322 and I subtract the $242.90, it tells me that the amount that it went up in cost is $79.10. So remember, the formula to determine the increase amount is you take the increase and you divide it by the original cost. And so that gives me $79.10 divided by the original cost, which was $242.90. And what that's going to leave me with is 0.326, which turns into 32.6%.